Hey there mga my loves, Cancer! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in the channel, babe. So before we start your reading, let me just say hi and hello there new subscribers. Ako po si Yan. Welcome tuloy kayo dito sa community namin at sa mga returning kong mga viewers. Thank you so much for the warm love and support ang binibigay ninyo dito at sa iba pang mga channels. Sa mga hindi pa aware, meron po tayong iba pang mga channels. Ang mga links po ay nasa description box. So yun yung mga babes, wala tayong gender dito. Remember that, babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you can flip roles if you want. And at the end of the day, you always have your free will. Malaya kayo to use that. No? Anytime, anywhere. Kaya naman, let's go ahead, Cancer, at alamin ano yung mga mensahe here for you guys. So, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Angels and spirit guides, thank you so much for being present here in this reading. This is for my Cancerian people. This is for Cancer. What does Cancer needs to know? Yung iba ba dyan, bagong kasal kayo? No? Or you feel like bagong kasal kayo? Kasi nasa bagong connection. Yan, no? Nakita ko dito ng mga energy ng mga lovebirds dyan, no? Feels like new, feels like fresh. Baka fresh na connection talaga. Pero kung ano man nakikita ko na kayo ay magtatagal, long-term commitment, long-lasting commitment yan. Bongga, no? So, let's see. Just take how this resonates. Binanggit natin yun kasi may mga energy na nakita tayong ganun. Or maaring hindi mo alam, no? Maaring ikaw single ka ngayon at hindi mo alam na yan pala yung paparating sa'yo. Diba? So, yan. Cancer, let's see. Latag na muna na. Yeah. This is what I'm talking about. The beautiful 10 of coins energy. What you will receive is something great. If this is a commitment, this is a long-lasting commitment, a confirmation that na-mention ko kanina. No? And if this is something here that's not a commitment for others of you, this is something here stable na pagkukuwanan ng pera. I'm seeing money na naka-fall in line, no, na sunod-sunod ang pasok at dating sa buhay mo. So, it could be a business that will grow and will stand the test of time. It could be that work or career that will provide you that sense of financial stability na magiging permanente. Wow! 10 of points energy. But for others of you, nakuha tayo rito, this is for few na ito ay inheritance. So, maaring may magpamana, may ma-receive kayong mana, and for some reason, beautiful message, yung iba, hindi nyo pa to kakilala. So, posibleng may nagawa kayong maganda sa buhay niya. No? So, iba, mga ganong scenario, no? Wherein, for example, no, nagtrabaho ka as DOH, no, sa ibang bansa, no, and then maaaring yung inalagaan mo is wala siyang family, no, and then so happen na meron siyang malaking ipon sa bank, no, and that person, para pagtanaw ng malaking utang na loob sa'yo, posibleng ibigay niya yun sa'yo. That is just an example, okay? Ganun. Kung hindi man kamag-anak mo yung inheritance na makukuha mo, maaring may nagawa kang maganda sa buhay niya. Doesn't have to be na ikaw ay nag-overseas or nagtrabaho sa ibang bansa. Basta, may nagawa kang maganda sa buhay niya, no? Kaya ikaw yung taong may isip niya na pag-iwanan itong bagay na to. Yan. Hindi mo alam na yun ay nagkakahalaga, no, ng malaki. So, yung iba baka yung ibigay sa inyo, yung parang kala mong liit lang, no, na kristal or ano na pala yun, na pagka pinagpalit mo pala yun, no, ilan talagang mga dolyares, no, milyon, bilyon yung nakikita ko rito. Like, wow! See, you really did not know kung kailan at kung sa anong paraan na ibibigay sa'yo tong 10 of coins na to. No? Iba, isa ito, no, napaka magandang love relationship, committed with the person, hindi magloloko anytime. Magiging faithful sa'yo hanggang dulo. No? At maganda ang kanyang background, trabaho, maganda yung buhay mo sa kanya, bongga. Yung iba, trabaho yan, no? Nakikita ko rito, or negosyo na mag-grow talaga, no? At pwede mo pang ipamana. At ang pagbabago na yan ay ngayon na Wheel of Fortune energy. Wow! Wheel of Fortune, your world is changing talaga, no? Magbabago na yung buhay mo, and what I'm picking up right here, this is coming in really quick because I'm seeing triple 10, no? This only means that when something ends, there's something to begin. Okay? Eh, nakikita ko rito, no, na posibleng ikaw to, na feeling mo yung buhay mo is patapon, no, kailan lang or noon, no. Pero this is something here that you will be grateful for all your life. You will be living in the world or in a world na hindi mo pa na-experience ever, no. This is something here that you will feel like that you've conquered something in your life. This is so beautiful. I'm seeing you right here. Alam mo yung parang naka-open yung arms mo and you're willing to receive more in your life is more positive and you can able to share your blessings with other people, like sobrang magkakaroon ka ng higit pa sa sapat, Cancer. No, that is 10 of coins, panalong panalo, no? Wheel of Fortune in the World card right here. Something's changing in your life and your life is now taking to a next chapter here wherein you will feel so satisfied. This is a very fulfilling world for you. Like everything that you want is almost uh, an inch away, no? Like ready for grabbing, no? So nakita ko rito na ang ganda, no, ng buhay na papupuntahan mo, no? Isa itong klase ng buhay kung saan hindi mo pa na-experience ito before. Pero napakaganda nito kasi hindi mo rito mararanasan yung naranasan mo before na feeling mo walang-wala ka na talaga, no? Feeling mo rito parang pinagkakasya mo na lang lahat, no? To the point na yung iba pwedeng hindi kayo nakakain, no, ng higit sa 3 times a day, no? Pero your life is changing. You will be having more than what you need. Wow. See? Cancer, beautiful. This is your justice. Another major arcana right here coming in really quickly. Wow. Opportunities na pagkakaguluhan rito ikaw, no? Yung mga opportunities, oo, yung magkakagulo sa'yo. Kasi hindi nila alam kung sabay-sabay na ba silang papasok sa buhay mo o following each other or magpo-fall in line sila rito. Wow, 'di ba? 'Di ba? So whatever the case may be, this is something here that I know this is too good to be true. But wait and see up until this pop out, no? Right before your eyes. Everything right here is definitely considered as all yours. These are all yours. Money, love, life, pentacles. What can I say more? Ito na yon, no, Cancer, no, this is coming in pretty quickly right here and you cannot stop this. You cannot escape this. This is your good karma over here. Maybe, alam mo ito, tingin ko, bukod sa ikaw yung gumagawa ng mga good deeds sa buhay mo, meron ditong person na yumao na either sobrang mahal ka nun, no, na itong tao na 'to mga babes, no, yung tao na nakita kong nag-effort dito ng bongga para makuha mo 'to. So maybe you have here a loved one who, uh, you've parted ways already, like wala na siya rito on earth, no, and this person here caused this big changes in your life, no? This person here is working behind the scenes, no? Doon sa heaven, doon sa kung nasan man siya, no? I'm making this happen in your reality, no? This person here loves you so much for you to experience this extravagance. Wow! Luxurious life. Wow! Diba? My gosh. We have here this Knight of Pentacles energy, Five of Cups, Three of Cups right here, full card energy, Eight of Coins, and there's this King of Swords. I do see that you are really stepping into this type of energy. Yeah. You will no longer experience what you've experienced before. You will not miss this opportunity this time because I'm seeing you grabbing it. So maybe it once came into your life, but because you prioritize right here other things before, I do see that this is something here that will continue na manotice mo na ngayon and you will grab this opportunity. You will definitely receive signs and clues, messages, and you're taking this decision to go for it, and I'm seeing you doing this. Yeah, this is not an opportunity that you will miss, and this is something here that's long coming, but it's here right now, and you will definitely improve your life. You are the one who will improve your life. In this other person from other world could be your ancestors, could be someone here that you've lost, okay, here in this world, like they're not anymore, their body is not anymore here on earth, this person here is someone who did all of this, okay? Like all of his or her effort, pinaghirapan niya to dun sa kabilang world to be able to give this to you. So, if you happen to receive, may nare-receive ka mga signs and clues, no? Yung iba, maaaring hindi niya nakikita, pwedeng kayo mismo yung humiling niyan. Like, while you pray, ito na ba talaga yung para sa akin, Lord? Can you please pakita nyo nga sa akin dyan? Yung kabayo na puti, mga ganun, no? You can really, you can really ask here signs, no, on your own. So, nakikita ko na maglalabasan yun rito. Ito maganda. Yung mga opportunities yung magkakandara pa rito sa'yo. Hindi nila alam no, kung kailan sila papasok. Sabay-sabay ba kami papasok? Pwede bang one at a time? Ang dami. Ang dami-daming opportunities ang nakita ko, no, na halos gatakbo silang papunta sa'yo. At ang maganda. Ang maganda, isang magandang balita nakikita ko sa'yo, ang pera mo, no? Ang pera mo ay muling magbabalik sa'yo, kaya kung sino man ang matagal nang umutang sa'yo, magbabayad na siya. Yan, magbabayad na siya. So, nakikita ko rito na magbabayad na itong may utang sa'yo rito, no? At ito ay something na magugulat ka at hindi mo inaasahan dahil kung sino man ang tao na yan na maaaring palagi yung sinasabi sa'yo na, "Pas, bayaran na lang kita next time, pre. Sasahod na lang, sis." Nakailang sahod na hindi ka niya nabayad-bayaran, no? Tapos boom, wala kang sinabi, di mo siya kinulit, wala kang ginawa, magbabayad na siya. Kung sino siya, medyo malaki-laki yung utang niya sa'yo, pero magbabayad na siya. Parang ikaw to na gusto mong sabihin sa kanya, may sakit ka ba? May lagnat ka ba? Teka, kunin ko yung thermometer. Ikaw to na hindi ka makapaniwalang magbabayad na siya, diba? So, yun palang good news na yun agad-agad, no? So, kung sino man to na may inutang sa'yo rito na palaging pas daw noon, ngayon ay hindi na siya magpapas rito kasi siya mismo ang hahanap upang mabayaran ka na. Yan, no? Alam mo, ang ganda, maraming oportunidad ang parating sa'yo, no? Kailangan mo lang piliin, no, dyan sa mga opportunities na yan, kung ano talaga yung gusto mong paglaanan ng energy. Okay? Kasi lahat yan magaganda, pero meron talagang mga magaganda talaga, no? Mas magaganda, okay? Na talagang dapat mas ituon mo yung energy mo. So, nakikita ko rito, Cancer, yung gaganda na paparating sa buhay mo. Kaya kung sino man yung mga energies rito na talagang nahagip ito, no? Hindi nyo alam. Hindi na ikaw yung dating ikaw dahil talaga naman na mag-iiba na ang image mo at hindi ko nakikita na yayabang ka, no, kundi mas mag-i-improve ka pa habang nakatapak ang mga paa mo sa lupa, no. Ang lahat ng ito ay talagang nararapat lamang para sa'yo, no, at kung sino man ito, no, bukod ka talagang pinagpala sa lahat dahil ang taong tumulong sa'yo, no, kung sino man yun na wala na sa buhay mo ngayon, no, yung pagmamahal niya ang nagdala ng lahat ng malalaking swerte na to sa buhay mo, no. Yung iba puwedeng may sinabi siya rito, bago siya nawala. Okay, doesn't have to be na yun yung mga last breath niya, pero sinabi niya sa inyo na hindi ka niya pababayaan. At posibleng sinabi niya yun nung time na nawala siya, na meron ka rin na parang ibang mga problemang kinakaharap. Whether narinig mo yun o hindi mo narinig, yun yung pinaka nakukuha ko rito. So, totoong hindi ka nga niya pinabayaan. Dahil hindi ka lang niya basta pinaambunan dito. Pinabuhusan ka niya ng mga biyaya rito. So, hindi ko alam, no? Pero napakalawak ng pagmamahal niya sa'yo para matanggap mo ang mga napakagagandang mga oportunidad na to. No? Sobrang nagniningning to sa mga paningin ko, mga babes, no? Ang tingin ko dito, mga gold bars. So, hindi man literal na gold bars yun ibig sabihin, no? Sa paningin ko, ito yung mga bagay na magpapabago ng upside down talaga yung buhay mo. Babalik na dito yung buhay mo. No? Wow! Ano pang hinihintay mo? Claim, 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 claim this Cancer because ang ganda. Sobrang ganda, no? Ang tingin ko dito talaga nagniningning talaga, no? So, ito yung mga mensahe here for you guys. Thank you so much for your time. And syempre, no, please do check out other channels right there, no? I'm happy and I love to see you then doon. So, thank you so much, Sarang Heyo, Love and Light. Annyeong!